Put the balloon on the end of this, and then I'll stopper it. The hydrogen that's released will actually blow this balloon up, and then I can tie the balloon off. It'll float to the ceiling, and we can blow the hydrogen up with reaction with the oxygen in the atmosphere. So the reaction is actually this. You guys are actually going to learn how to do this later on. I'm going to teach you how to write and balance chemical equations. One zinc atom with 2 molecules of hydrochloric acid will produce 1 molecule of hydrogen gas and 1 molecule of zinc chloride, which is ZnCl2. And that'll be in solution with water, and this will be released as gas, which I'm going to capture in the balloon. So you guys are safe where you are. I'm just going to put the goggles on because I'm right here. One drop of this stuff in your eye. You ever see an egg get cooked? That's what this will do to your eyes. So
that's cool. I mean, it's cool to look at. It's not cool to happen to you. Are you ready to rumble? No.
Let's go. Let's go.
Cap it.
Cap it before it blows. Cap it before.
Who's gonna blow?
Yeah, go.
Boom!
Concentrate. That's cool.
this flask is getting hot too. This reaction produces.
You want me to hold it?
Boom.
That's what I'm here for. For an hour? That is long. That is long.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's not hot.
Well, yeah, I've been hired before.
I just want to get it large enough so that you can see that it'll float this balloon.
I'm waiting.
You guys have heard of Zeppelins before, right?
Yeah.
Big rigid lips. The Germans wanted to fill theirs with helium, but the largest supply of helium in the world came from the United States. You guys are being really rude. The largest supply of helium in the world came from the United States, and with Hitler taking power, we wouldn't sell the Germans helium, so they went ahead and filled theirs with hydrogen, knowing that it was flammable, but they thought they could take enough precautions that it wouldn't catch on fire. Well, of course, if we know anything about history, the Hindenburg pulls into Lakehurst, New Jersey on a trip from Germany to the United States, and on its way to the mooring mast, it suddenly burst into flames. A lot of people were killed and injured in that. And this is going to be the same reaction. So, and that's just about done. There's some minor fizzing in here, so I'm just catching a little bit of the hydrogen now. That's probably good enough.
It's going on YouTube. There we go. Focus. Are you ready to rumble?
Oh, not quite.
You failed.
Not quite enough hydrogen in there to float it.
Fly,
It
little
wants to
birdie.
float, right?
If it touches the ground, we are.
So
Throw it out and jam it with a stick.
Actually, it's smart.
it won't stick to the ceiling. You see, it wants to float. It just doesn't have quite enough hydrogen in it. We'll just put it right here, and I'll. You see, it's standing up because it's wanting to float, right?
It's like my life.
So.
Trying to rise, but I won't.
One time I did this with a match, and I just used my hand and it burned
Hurry
all
up,
the
I
hair
only
off
got
my
5
arm.
minutes.
So, always use a stick.
That balloon is like my life. I have to kick people out of it, and I have to use the other one to stand up.
Come on, Mr. Brosnan. I only got 4 minutes left to record.
Okay. Sometimes with these balloons pop, they catch fire and they'll start to streak across a little bit. So maybe you want to back up a little bit more. You're probably safe, but just for precautions. And make sure your eyes are on it so it flies to you. You can like duck.
Okay. What up?
Usually it doesn't go flying like that, but
Hold up.
sometimes it does.
What up? Got myself right
That's safe. Brand new.
Hey, I got my thumb pretty going in.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Okay, here we go.
3, 2,
We're gonna blow.
1. That was awesome.
Do it again.
Let's do that again.
Did you see the flame shoot out?
Yeah.
They shot up towards me. I felt a little heat on that. You guys know what it was making while it was burning?
My mixtape just dropped. Fire!
But the fire is just the light, which is the energy produced during the reaction. But the hydrogen is reacting with oxygen in the atmosphere. The hydrogen was reacting with the oxygen in the atmosphere. What do you think you would make when you burn hydrogen and oxygen together?
CO2.
That would be carbon. How about hydrogen and oxygen? H2O, right. It made water.
The Martian.
The fire made water, right?
So if we
The
stuck a piece
hydrogen
of
was
sodium in
reacting
there,
with
it
the
would just
oxygen, produced
explode.
water, and it produced light and heat in the process. Yeah.
Isn't that what he did in the Martian pretty much?
What they did in what?
The Martian.
Yes, it is. That's exactly what he did in The Martian. Right. Yep, to produce the water.
So basically that is yeah, this is what he did.
Yep.
Is it warm?
And, wow. I think the reason it didn't float, I kind of had a feeling it wasn't going to work. Last hour I used a yellow balloon, and the yellow seemed thinner and not as heavy.
We should do it
This red
again.
balloon seemed a little thicker, and it didn't float, and the hole it produced was just tiny. Last hour, the balloon just shredded in the explosion.
We should do it again.
I think I have just enough hydrochloric to do for my 5th hour, so
Aw.
that'll be the end of that. You guys want to see some footage of the Hindenburg?
Yeah.
That was a giant hydrogen.
Well,
Is that where Japan and all that got the hydrogen bomb from?
The hydrogen bomb we'll talk about when we get into the nuclear.